2025 Toyota Hilux Revo is here to redefine toughness and capability. Its exterior boasts a rugged yet sleek design, featuring a bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and robust fender flares that enhance its off-road presence. The truck sits on 18-inch alloy wheels, adding to its commanding stance. Under the hood, the Hilux Revo is powered by a 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, delivering 204 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque, ensuring excellent towing capacity and performance in rough terrain. Inside, the cabin blends practicality with comfort. The dashboard is modern, with an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system offering Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. The seats are upholstered in high-quality materials, providing both durability and comfort. Rear passengers will enjoy ample legroom, making the Hilux Revo a versatile option for both work and leisure. When it comes to technology, the 2025 Hilux Revo is equipped with advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a pre-collision system. The multi-terrain select system ensures that the truck can handle various driving conditions, from mud and sand to rocky trails. The rear differential lock adds to its off-road capabilities, giving drivers confidence in challenging environments. The truck's cargo bed is designed for utility, featuring reinforced materials and ample space for hauling equipment or goods. Additionally, the Hilux Revo offers a towing capacity of up to 3,500 kg, making it perfect for heavy-duty tasks. With its combination of power, technology, and ruggedness, the 2025 Toyota Hilux Revo stands out as a reliable and versatile truck, ready to take on any challenge, whether on the road or off it. This is a vehicle built to handle the toughest demands while providing comfort and convenience for its driver and passengers.